Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make that perfect white rice. You hear me? Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Ingredients I will be using for today's recipe: I have rice, onion, butter, salt, and oil. This is quick and easy. Watch until the end. Now the pot is hot. I'm gonna add some olive oil. Next, I'm just going to add the onion. Make sure you reduce the heat because you don't want your onion to burn. And adding the salt next. Let it saute. And of course, remember to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Then I'm going to add water to let it boil. Now I'm going to wash the rice. You can do the process once or you can do it twice. Mix it nicely just like that, then drain the water out. Now that the water comes to a boil, I'm gonna add the rice in. Cooking tips for cooking your perfect rice. Make sure your rice is 1 inch or 2 inch higher than your water, so you will prevent from your rice from turning soggy or soft. If you want that perfect nice rice, not too soft, you do that method. It worked for me and I'm sure it will work for you, so you don't have to keep measuring as you go. This is the best way to measure your rice. With a good mix, cover it up. Now all the water is dry out. You can add some butter. Then reduce the heat to medium-low. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or the smell will tell you when it's ready, because you will notice the great smell of your rice. Thank you for your precious time. Thank you for all my subscribers, my returning subscribers, and thank you to you, to all my new subscribers. Thank you for your precious time. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibe.